What's up, everybody? What's going on? Breath Solution with McNealy here with another video. Hey, if you're a brand new person watching this video, I want to say welcome. Congratulations for stopping by this channel. I'm Mark McNealy. I'm also known as Breath Solution with McNealy here on YouTube, and I've been helping people all across the globe heal themselves and cure themselves from halitosis, bad breath. So hopefully, if you're here and watching this video, you gain some value. Hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button. Alright, you can find that somewhere here below around on this page. Go ahead and hit that button so you can stay alerted as new videos and content come out. If you guys get any value from this video, go ahead and comment, hit the like button, let me know what you think, let me know what your thoughts are. So let's jump into this video. Alright, so real quick, I'm going to be talking about oregano oil. Bam. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is oregano oil. This stuff is strong, it's powerful. I'm going to be talking about the benefits of this oil, and I'm going to be talking and showing you guys how to use this oil. So don't miss out, don't run, don't leave this video. Make sure you stay to the end so you guys can see how to use it. Also, if you would like to pick up a bottle of this oregano oil, there'll be a link below in the description box of this video. Go ahead and click on that link, and guys, you will get that oil shipped out to you. You don't even have to leave the house. So with that being said, let's jump into it, guys, because I know there's been a lot of questions about, halitosis and how to actually heal yourself from it and get rid of it, and you're sick of it and you're tired of it. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was on my mission to cure halitosis, bad breath, over 8 years ago, guys, I didn't know anything about this stuff. There's so many different benefits, so much research out now. It is amazing. It is amazing. So all I want to do is share with you some amazing benefits of this oil, and I just want to let you guys know that just focus on healing your body. If you focus on healing your body overall, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to heal yourself from halitosis. Alright? And this oil, this is one of the ways that you can do it. There's a pill version and there's an oil version. I have both accessible to me, but having one or the other is great, and I'm going to explain some of the benefits as to why. Alright, now before I do that, I just want to let you guys know that this oil has been around, for ages, for decades. Back in the Romans and back in the Greek times, AD, BC, things like that. We're talking maybe 3,000 years ago. This stuff has been out and it's been accessible. Alright, so this, you definitely want to get this. If you don't have it, I highly recommend this, because this is going to help with some amazing things. So let's jump into it real quick. Number one, the first benefit it has, it's a natural antibiotic, and I'm kind of reading some of my notes. I waste some of the oil here. It is very strong. It has a strong aroma. Alright, I'm not really sure how to express it and explain it, but we'll talk about it a little bit more. Number one, it's a natural antibiotic. Number two, it lowers your cholesterol. It can definitely help with that. So if you're someone that eats a lot of food, like a lot of processed foods and foods that are fatty and high carbohydrated foods, you definitely want to get that cholesterol lower. This stuff will do it. It just has a way of managing and leveling out your cholesterol. Number three, it's a powerful antioxidant. It's 42 times more powerful than your traditional foods that have high dosages of antioxidants, apples and blueberries and things like that. Alright, so it's very, very powerful. It works up to 42 times greater. Alright, number four, it helps with removing yeast. This is a big one. Now, this is a natural product, so it does work. You have to stay consistent with this type of product or supplement. You can't just take this once and then you see results. You have to stay consistent. You have to stay the course. Alright, so this thing here is known to break up and kill off yeast and candida, alright, in any type of gut type of condition. So that's really what you want to aim for, something that's going to help with that. Number five, it's an anti-inflammatory property. So this helps with helping your body to flow into its natural state. Okay, you want your body to flow and work naturally. You want all the systems in the body to work and flow it's supposed to. A lot of times bodies start to be inflamed with pains and aches, and it's not working the way it needs to because it's inflamed. All right, it's trying to fight off disease, and a lot of time it goes into an inflammation state because it's trying to block some disease or some virus or bacteria that's taken over. So this helps with leveling that out and straightening you out, guys. That's what it's basically doing. Number 6, improving gut health. That's what this does. There was a study, ladies and gentlemen, of 14 students, of 14 people that actually had some serious gut issues, parasites, and some really bad gut issues. They were on about a 600 milligram dosage of oregano oil, all right, over a 6-week period of time. And do you know that 77% of those 14 people were completely healed? All right, 77% of 14 people, all right, was completely healed. So if we were to do the math on that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not really good with math, but maybe you guys are. You'll see the numbers with that. So you definitely want to consider getting this in there, taking this, all right, because it has a lot of major properties. Okay, a lot of major properties. So we're talking about 10 people, 10.78 people. I had to pull out my calculator. Actually was cured, so that's really more than half. All right, 77%. That's pretty much everybody almost. All right, so that's really good to know. All right. Also, number 7. Again, it helps with. I keep going back to this. It helps with gut symptoms. All right, it helps with common gut symptoms. All right, leaky gut being one of them. There was also a study done on some pigs where they actually had some issues with their gut, and I'm not sure how that's possible because you notice pigs eat anything and everything normally unless it's grass fed. Pigs can kind of eat whatever, but a study was done on pigs, and oregano oil was used to help with protecting the gut wall in the pigs from damaging it, and to prevent it from becoming even more inflamed. And it basically helped with healing their guts, and also it helped with reducing the number of E. coli bacteria that was within the gut. So that is extremely powerful, ladies and gentlemen. Mind blowing. I'm blown away. Like, man, if I'd have known about this stuff ages ago, I would have been a consumer. So I keep this on me, at all times. It lasts me a long time, but you definitely want to look into these benefits. Number 8, it could help with relieving pain. There's been studies showing animals and different people having pain, and then when they use oregano oil over time, the pain will begin to go away. It just goes away. So if you're a person that has back pain, knee pain, joint pain, start taking this oregano oil, because again, you got to remember what it is. It's a anti-inflammatory, so it reduces inflammation. Wherever there's pain, there is inflammation. All right, not inflammation, inflammation. All right, sounds like I'm saying the same thing. Excuse me. Anyway, guys, don't laugh. So, number 9, studies are showing, or have been shown, that it may have some cancer-fighting properties, and that, to me, I believe could be true because of the simple fact that this stuff interacts very nicely with your cells. It interacts very nicely, gets into the bloodstream, and it really starts to work. All right, so that being said, enough talking. I'm going to demonstrate with you guys. It's very easy, very simple. All right, there's 2 ways you can take this. You can apply this oil on your skin. If you apply it on your skin, use olive oil, something that you can rub it in, because this oil can be a bit strong, and depending on what brand, if you get an extra strength brand, it can be very, very strong. Like, this is an extra strength brand. It's very strong, but you can get the original brand as well. But if you just take 1 drop or 2 drops and apply it on your skin, you need to take 1 or 2 tablespoons. Tablespoons and mix it with the oil, alright, and rub it in. So for however many drops of this oregano oil, you're gonna need that many drops of, or that many tablespoons, excuse me. So that's what you want to definitely do if you're going to apply it onto an affected area. So there may be an area where there's a cut, sore, bruise. It's pretty much safe to apply. It may burn, kind of like how alcohol initially, but it will then subside. All right. And then the next way, which is the way that I like to take this supplement, is by mouth. You can take 1 to 3 drops. If you're starting out, I would do maybe 2 drops. All right, maybe twice a day, in the morning or at night. But yeah, you definitely want to do this. And yeah, you just take 2 drops. That's 3. Then you put it under your tongue. You let it sit under your tongue. And what you're gonna experience is a tingling sensation. So it might burn a little bit. It's a slight tingle. It's not unbearable. It's very strong. It's an aroma that reminds you of like a man, I can't explain it. Like a leafy type aroma. It doesn't taste good. The taste is very it's loud. Need some water. But again, you don't need a lot, guys. If you put too much right off, it's gonna be too much. All right, just a couple drops, 2 drops, maybe 3. I wouldn't do 3 drops. All right, I would just do maybe 2 drops, 1 or 2 drops, and then when you drink it down with the water, let it sit on your tongue for like 30 to 45 seconds, and then you drink it down with water, and you will notice it'll start working out. It does burn. This is the extra strength version, so it burns. My mouth is burning like crap. Tongue is tingling. It reminds you of eating a very, very hot wing, like buffalo sauce. That's really, really hot. But it subsides. It kind of goes, all right. It kind of relieves itself, and now things are starting to come back to normal. So you will want to do this. It's very strong, but very powerful, very beneficial. So that's it, guys. I hope this helped. If you'd like to get your hands on your own bottle of oregano oil, there'll be a link below in the description box. If you rather take the pill version, I have some pills that I highly recommend, all right, that you can take as well. There'll be a link below in the description box for that as well. With that being said, guys, I'm Breathsolutionwithmcnealy. I'm signing out.